Hey guys, it's been about 6 months since I published my trading strategy pumping station, and now there's a need to create a new lesson for my training course on how to use this strategy. In this lesson, I want to show you how to set up this system on the H1 time frame, that is on the 1 hour time frame. Why am I now recommending that everyone switch to the 1 hour time frame? Because lately, the market has become more trending, and on the 1 hour time frame, the pumping station system has started to work much better than on the 15-minute time frame. And in this lesson, I will show you what the difference is between these two time frames and exactly what you will get after you switch to the H1 time frame. And of course, how do you do that? How to switch, how to set up the indicator, how to configure the utility. In short, let's go over to my platform. I'll show you everything right now. So guys, in the pumping station strategy, we always have to adapt to the market. And usually we do this by going through these templates. We apply different templates, choose the one that suits us best, and use it for a while. Then, if profitability decreases after some time, say after a month, we find another template and use it for a while. But there are times when we see that, well, for a particular currency pair with all these templates, you just can't find a decent one. For example, I won't go out of my way to find a bad template. I just picked a currency pair without any adjustments to show you. Let's say, for example, on the M15 time frame, the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, let's assume, doesn't work well. Here, our profit factor is less than 1.3. I always tell everyone that the profit factor should be greater than 1.3, but here it's less. And with any template that we go through here, it will be a bad option. What do? We switch to the H1 time frame. When we switch to the H1 time frame, then the waves, the price waves, these swing reversals, they become more clear for this trading system. They are more pronounced, so to speak. Yes, you can even see it now on the price chart, and the profit factor becomes 2.29 even without any adjustments. But we also go to templates and select one by one different options here that we can try out. And we adjust them. We just look at what's available. There you go, 3 profit factors. Okay. So what I suggest is that for those currency pairs where the profit factor is bad, there are few trades, the profit factor is poor, and you don't like anything, don't just discard that pair right away. Switch to H1 and find the template that works best for that currency pair. Next, regarding the utility, we take the utility and drag it onto the price chart. And here, in the utility, we set the starting time frame accordingly. If we're starting to trade from the hourly time frame, then here we also set the starting time frame to 1 hour. We don't change the finishing time frame. Let 4 hours remain as it is. That's it. In this way, we have set up the system for trading on the 1 hour time frame. Of course, this is not the Holy Grail, and in this system there will still be some currency pairs that, still won't work very well. In such cases, of course, it's better to just exclude them. But by switching to the H1 time frame, if your M15 isn't showing very good statistics, we will first of all increase the number of assets that can be used for trading. Secondly, we will increase the profit factor on those assets that we previously did not use. And accordingly, the profitability of your system will also increase because more assets mean more trades, a higher profit factor, and more profit, that is, more money that will be credited to our account after each trading operation. That's all for now. I wish you excellent trading results. See you next time.